My first time traveling back to Manila after 37 years. And now all aboard! All aboard Sahars Line going back to Manila. That's what you call the Roro liner. Dilim, no? So, they're moving out of Marinduque. And I'm all board here at Reina Olympia. And this is how it looks like here. Palakasan na lang ng loob. Ayan yung Balanakan. That's what they call the Virgin of Balanakan. The port of Balanakan. So, that is the gate going to Marinduque. Ang ganda, no? Before, wala namang ganito. But, look what has it offers now after 37 years. This is a 2-floor Roro, part of the boat. It's not a boat. It's what you call. Ayun na. You know, yung Mama Mary. I used to stay here at the top floor or the third floor or the ano ba to? Penthouse ba to? Basta the top floor siya para lang makita ko yung overview ng Marinduque. And at the same time, kasi syempre naboboard ka, no? While waiting kung anong oras ka darating. But I think 6:30 daw yata maglalayag na. We're leaving the port of Balanacan at 6:30 and we'll be traveling back to Manila probably or approximately 9:30. We'll be at Manila or the Dalahican port. So, Marinduque has only 6 towns. Ayun na sila, oh. Palabas na, oh. Mugpog, Buwak, Gasan, Buenavista, Torrejos, Timbo. Timbo is part of Buenavista. And at Buenavista, our ancestors, the Valenzuela clan, Sadiwa, Quijano, and other clans, puro magkakamag-anak yan. So, we'll be traveling nighttime at tiyak wala na tayong makikitang mga tanawin. Will be part of the Sea World. Shout out to all my kamag-anak. And shout out to Aileen Pen, Hedeline, by Princess, Ate Lydia, and Heidi, at saka sa mga kamag-anakan natin dito na nagsiuwian na para bumoto. And so those who are coming back to Manila are the ones na magboboto na, boboto rin or will be traveling to vote for this coming election on Monday. So I am now going down the second floor. Watch your head. Open, ano lang, wala, open air lang. Uh, and now I'm traveling with Daniela. First time, first time umakyat sa barko. Galit na galit na. Ha, marami kang isda. Oh, sabi ko sa iyo dito ka sa dagat eh. Oh, first time. Siya nga pala, traveling with the cat or not only with the feline dogs or any kind of animals, you have to get your travel pass sa veterinary office ng BUAC. And you have to also secure the shipping permit coming from the port of Balanacan. It's online. So thank you to all the PVET Marinduque, uh, those who assisted me for the online of the shipping permit. Thank you, Tricia, and to all your co-employees, your mga friends dan. Ito, konti lang naman kami nakasakay sa barko. Hindi pa siya hindi pa umaalis. Ang konti pa lang namin. Can you imagine ang lawak ng barko? Ang laki ng barko. Oh. This is only the second floor. Konti lang siya. We are allowed to eat here. Konti ilang nung kita mo kanina, dapat dito na lang pala ako. But I chose to go to the third floor for the overview. The air is like not so humid, pero konti lang yung ano niya. Fresh air pa rin, pero hindi pa ganun ka-windy or um, basta hindi pa siya ganun. And also, all the vehicles are going to be boarded here at the Roro. Ganda, no? Welcome to Marinduque. I don't know when we are coming back, but we've been here for almost 8 months since August last year. And it's been um, welcoming feeling and the atmosphere as well, like napaka ang tawag doon. Siyempre, pagka matagal kang hindi mo sila nakita for how many years, you have to learn the culture as well as the tradition, and also you have to make pakikisama. Siyempre, hindi na tayo bata. We are 61 years old. So, ang ating mga barkada ay mga senior citizens. So, shout out to all the Malbog, Buena Vista senior citizen. Shout out to Teacher Marley Malbar and Rowena Mercene. Happy birthday to both of you and to all the birthday celebrants for this May. Also to Eileen Pen, happy birthday, and also to brother, happy birthday, brother Fahad. Shout out na rin sa sister-in-law ko kay Amor Soberano and her family, si Iman. Tapos kay Tekla, kay Jeff, kay Buboy, at saka sa lahat ng mga 669, Barangay 669, kay Ma'am Mabel, lahat ng mga kagawad. See you soon.